Visa gift card on Clash Royale. In this video, you're going to learn how to use or put Visa gift card on Clash Royale. So let's get started. First, go to your mobile main menu and from here, open your App Store. And in the App Store, you will be able to see all of these options if you scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see an option that says redeem gift card or code. Click on this option. Now you will be able to see your gift card. You can enter it manually or you can redeem it by using your mobile camera. Then go to the games in your mobile phone and from here select the game you want to claim. For example, I'm selecting Clash Royale. Now I will buy this product by using my redeem gift card by entering the number manually or by just using my camera. That's all. That's how you will be able to put Visa gift card on Clash Royale.